Nature at its finest in my backyard. Unbelievable. Camera.
Our current status. The creek has came up. It's almost underground. Stop!
It is, man. Look at it. Got it! Got it!
Is it cold? This is crazy. Unbelievable. No, yeah, just go. Yeah, right there. Yeah, we're trying to make it go all the way down to down the river. There it is. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Them motherfuckers swallowed it up. There it is, right there. Look, they just right there. You see it? It's going. Yep, it's going. It's going. It's gone.